One of the singer's greatest blessings can also be a curse. This is the mobility of the larynx. If you would love to scream, please by all means allow the air to shove your larynx up to heaven. However, if you would like to sing with beauty and with ease, your muscles need to maintain a neutral larynx. I have a silly and fun exercise. You are going to say, "Oh my Lord," and then sing your high notes. Your high notes will sound beautiful. They will not sound dopey. It is because that is how much muscle it takes to hold the larynx at bay. Thank you so much for joining me for Vocal Health Sunday. Have a wonderful rest of your day of rest.